The mind is everything. What you think, you become. This powerful quote by Buddha underscores the profound impact that our mindset has on our mental health. It reminds us that our thoughts shape our reality, influencing our emotional well-being and overall mental state. According to a surprising statistic from the World Health Organization, 1 in 4 people will be affected by mental or neurological disorders at some point in their lives. This highlights the growing importance of understanding the link between mindset and mental health in today's world. Our mindset, the way we perceive and interpret our experiences, plays a crucial role in our mental health. A positive mindset can foster resilience and emotional well-being, while a negative mindset can contribute to stress, anxiety, and depression. Mindset refers to our established set of attitudes and beliefs that shape our perception of the world. Mental health encompasses our emotional, psychological, and social well-being, affecting how we think, feel, and act. A positive mindset is a critical component of mental health because it influences how we cope with stress, overcome challenges, and maintain motivation. Cultivating a healthy mindset can lead to improved emotional resilience and a more fulfilling life. The World Health Organization emphasizes that a positive mindset can significantly reduce the risk of depression. Studies reveal that individuals who maintain an optimistic outlook on life are less likely to experience severe depressive episodes. This insight underscores the power of mindset in shaping one's mental health and overall well-being. Real-life stories illustrate the profound impact of mindset on mental health. Consider someone who, despite facing numerous challenges, maintains a positive attitude and resilience. This individual's ability to view setbacks as opportunities for growth highlights how powerful a positive mindset can be in overcoming adversity and enhancing mental health. Seeking professional mental health support is crucial. While a positive mindset is beneficial, it's essential to recognize when expert guidance is needed. Mental health professionals can provide the necessary tools and support to navigate complex emotional landscapes, ensuring that individuals receive comprehensive care and effective treatment. Small, daily mindset shifts can lead to significant improvements in mental health. Simple practices like reframing negative thoughts, focusing on the present moment, and setting realistic goals can gradually transform one's outlook. These incremental changes contribute to a more positive and resilient mindset over time. Positive affirmations are powerful tools for changing mindset. By regularly affirming positive statements about oneself, individuals can counteract negative self-talk and build self-esteem. This practice helps rewire the brain to focus on strengths and potential, fostering a more optimistic and empowering mental outlook. Daily gratitude exercises can profoundly impact mental health. Recognizing and appreciating small joys fosters positivity and reduces stress. By consciously acknowledging what we are thankful for, we shift our focus from negative to positive aspects of life, enhancing overall well-being and cultivating a more grateful, optimistic mindset. Mindfulness techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing, significantly improve mental health. They help individuals stay present and manage stress effectively. Practicing mindfulness daily encourages a calm and centered mind, reducing anxiety and promoting emotional balance, which are crucial for maintaining mental stability and resilience. Self-compassion is vital for mental well-being. Being kind to oneself during challenging times helps in reducing self-criticism and promoting emotional healing. Embracing self-compassion allows individuals to treat themselves with the same kindness they would offer a friend, fostering a healthier, more positive self-image. Regular physical activity offers substantial mental health benefits. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, and helps reduce stress and anxiety. Engaging in activities like walking, running, or yoga not only improves physical health, but also promotes a more positive and balanced mental state. Nutrition plays a crucial role in mental well-being. Consuming a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants supports brain health and function. Foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can enhance mood, energy levels, and cognitive function, contributing to overall mental health. Quality sleep is vital for maintaining a healthy mindset and overall mental well-being. A consistent sleep routine helps regulate mood, reduce stress, and improve cognitive function. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene, such as limiting screen time before bed and creating a restful environment, can significantly enhance mental health. Strong social connections play a crucial role in mental health. Building and maintaining supportive relationships provide emotional support, reduce feelings of loneliness, and foster a sense of belonging. Regular interactions with friends, family, and community members can lead to a more resilient and positive mindset. Reducing social media use can greatly benefit mental health. Excessive online activity often leads to comparison, anxiety, and decreased self-esteem. Limiting screen time and focusing on real-life interactions can help individuals feel more present, grounded, and content with their lives. Engaging in hobbies and interests sparks joy and reduces stress. Activities like painting, gardening, reading, or playing sports provide a sense of accomplishment and relaxation. Making time for enjoyable pursuits helps balance daily pressures and cultivates a positive mindset. Setting goals is essential for motivation and purpose. Achievable objectives provide direction and a sense of control over one's life. Breaking larger goals into smaller, manageable steps fosters progress and self-esteem, ultimately leading to improved mental health and a more optimistic outlook. Journaling serves as a powerful tool for mental clarity and positivity. By putting thoughts and emotions on paper, individuals can better understand their feelings and identify patterns. This practice not only alleviates stress, but also promotes self-awareness and personal growth, making it a valuable daily habit for mental well-being. Deep breathing techniques can have a profound calming effect, helping to reduce anxiety and stress. Simple practices like taking slow, deep breaths can trigger the body's relaxation response. Incorporating these exercises into daily routines can significantly improve mental health, providing moments of peace and grounding amidst life's chaos. Therapy offers a safe space for individuals to explore their thoughts and emotions with a professional. Seeking therapy can provide valuable insights, coping strategies, and emotional support. It is a proactive step toward mental well-being, helping individuals navigate challenges and build resilience in a non-judgmental environment. Cognitive behavioral techniques focus on identifying and modifying negative thought patterns. By challenging these thoughts and replacing them with more positive, realistic ones, individuals can improve their mental health. Practicing CBT can lead to better emotional regulation, increased self-esteem, and a more optimistic outlook on life. Challenging negative thoughts involves recognizing and counteracting them with positive affirmations and evidence-based reasoning. This practice helps break the cycle of negativity, fostering a more balanced and constructive mindset. Regularly addressing and reframing negative thoughts can lead to improved mental health and a more empowered, positive perspective. Joining support groups can offer immense emotional benefits. Sharing experiences with others facing similar challenges creates a sense of belonging and reduces feelings of isolation. These groups provide a safe space to express emotions, receive encouragement, and learn coping strategies, fostering a supportive community that aids in mental health recovery. Regular meditation enhances mental well-being by promoting relaxation and reducing stress. It helps clear the mind, improves focus, and fosters emotional resilience. Practicing meditation daily can lower anxiety levels, enhance mood, and cultivate a sense of inner peace, contributing significantly to overall mental and emotional health. Spending time in nature revitalizes the mind and body. Nature walks offer a break from daily stressors, providing fresh air and physical activity. The calming effect of natural surroundings boosts mood, reduces anxiety, and promotes mental clarity, making it a simple yet powerful tool for mental rejuvenation. Engaging in creative outlets like painting, writing, or music provides an expressive escape from daily pressures. Creative activities stimulate the brain, encourage self-expression, and offer a sense of accomplishment. These outlets can help process emotions, reduce stress, and enhance overall mental well-being, offering a therapeutic break from routine. Limiting alcohol and drug use is crucial for maintaining mental health. These substances can exacerbate anxiety and depression, impair judgment, and disrupt sleep patterns. Reducing intake helps stabilize mood, improve cognitive function, and foster healthier coping mechanisms, contributing to a more balanced and positive mental state. Balancing work and personal life is essential for mental health. Prioritizing time for family, hobbies, and relaxation can prevent burnout and reduce stress. Setting boundaries, such as designated work hours, helps maintain this balance, leading to improved well-being and a more fulfilling life overall. Engaging in volunteer work offers significant mental health benefits. Helping others fosters a sense of purpose and connection, which can alleviate feelings of isolation and depression. Volunteering also boosts self-esteem and provides a sense of accomplishment, creating a positive impact on both the volunteer and the community. Establishing regular self-care routines is crucial for maintaining mental health. Activities like taking baths, reading, or practicing hobbies provide relaxation and stress relief, helping to recharge both mind and body. Consistent self-care fosters resilience and enhances overall well-being, allowing individuals to better cope with daily challenges. Laughter and humor have powerful healing effects on mental health. They release endorphins, reduce stress hormones, and improve mood. Incorporating humor into daily life, whether through watching comedy or sharing jokes with friends, can significantly enhance emotional well-being and create a more positive outlook. Learning new skills stimulates the mind and contributes to personal growth. Engaging in activities like learning a language or picking up a new hobby keeps the brain active and improves cognitive function. This continuous learning process fosters a sense of achievement and enhances self-confidence, promoting overall mental health. Visualizing positive outcomes can significantly enhance one's mental health. By picturing a desired future, individuals can foster a sense of hope and motivation. This practice helps to reframe negative thoughts and reduce anxiety, promoting a more optimistic outlook on life and increasing resilience in the face of challenges. Tracking progress is essential for maintaining momentum on one's mental health journey. Keeping a journal or log of achievements and setbacks provides insight into patterns and triggers. This self-awareness helps individuals recognize growth, adjust strategies, and celebrate small victories, reinforcing positive changes and encouraging sustained efforts. Engaging in community activities can provide a sense of belonging and support. Participation in local events, clubs, or volunteer opportunities offers social interaction and shared purpose. This connection to others helps combat loneliness and isolation, fostering a supportive network that contributes to overall mental well-being. Sharing mental health resources and hotlines is critical for community support. Providing access to information can guide individuals toward appropriate help and services. Encouraging the use of these resources promotes mental health awareness, reduces stigma, and ensures that those in need have the tools to seek professional assistance. Incorporating these mindset shifts and seeking professional help when necessary can lead to profound improvements in mental health. Taking small, actionable steps daily fosters resilience and well-being. Encouragement to embrace these changes and access support systems can empower individuals to thrive and lead fulfilling lives. If you found these tips helpful, like this video, share your idea, and subscribe to iSkillmind for more great content. Your support helps us create more valuable information to keep you motivated and informed. Join our community and stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for more active lifestyle.